Elmo's Christmas Countdown. One day, when it was almost Christmas, Elmo was whistling in the snow when an elf fell out of Santa's sleigh and almost landed right on top of Elmo. "Are you all right, little fellow?" the elf asked Elmo. "Sorry about the rough landing."
"Elmo, fine, thank you. Who are you?"
"I'm the elf who helps Santa Claus find someone special to do the magical Christmas countdown every year," answered the elf, brushing himself off. "It's done with this official Christmas counterdowner."
"Boy, oh boy!"
yelled Elmo.
"Elmo has never met a real elf before." What's a Christmas counterdowner?"
"It's a set of magical Christmas boxes," said the elf. "Christmas can't come without counting down the boxes from 10 to 1. But when my sleigh went kablooey, the official counterdowner boxes fell out and were lost." He sighed. "How will I ever find them so Christmas can come in time?"
"Elmo knows,"
said Elmo.
"Mr. Elf can make a wish on the Christmas star for Christmas miracle."
Little Elmo began wishing hard on a big bright star.
"Please let all the counterdowner boxes come back so Christmas can come again,"
he said.
"Now you try, Mr. Elf."
"Wish upon a Christmas star?" the elf said doubtfully. "Do you really think that will work, my furry red friend? The boxes will just appear out of nowhere."
"Anybody lose number 10?
asked Abby Cadabby, appearing out of nowhere.
"Oh boy, it's box number 10. It's a Christmas miracle!"
exclaimed Elmo.
"See, Elmo told you, Mr. Elf. Abby has started the Christmas countdown."
The elf was confused. "Who are you?" he asked Abby.
"I'm Abby Cadabby, a fairy in training,"
Abby said.
"and this box just bonked me on the wings."
"Oh, I see. Well, look, thank you, Miss Cadabby," the elf said. "But we are still missing 9 boxes, and if we don't find them, Christmas is not coming. Why, just the thought of it makes me want to... Yow!"
"It's Bert!"
cried Elmo.
"What happened?"
"Well, I was eating my celebratory Christmas Eve oatmeal when this box plopped into my bowl,"
Bert said.
"Box number 9.
Abby shouted.
"It's a miracle!"
Whooped Elmo. "A miracle?" the elf echoed. "At this rate, the next box will just fall out of the sky." "Look out below!"
"Is Super Grover okay?"
Elmo asked.
"What happened?"
"I was just flying along, minding my own super business,"
said Super Grover,
"when this adorable little box caught my cape."
"It's box number 8.
Abby exclaimed.
"It's a Christmas miracle! Yay!"
said Elmo. "What's next?" wondered the elf. "I guess the next box will probably appear all wrapped and tied up with a bow."
"Oh, hello,"
said Big Bird, walking up with a pretty package.
"Look what I got you for Christmas, Elmo. I was just fluffing my feathers and it magically appeared."
box number 7.
laughed Abby.
And it's wrapped up like a nice little bow, just like Mr. Elf guessed.
Sometimes you just find the perfect gift,
smiled Big Bird.
Wow!
gasped Elmo.
You guessed exactly right, Mr. Elf. It's another Christmas miracle and the nicest gift ever.
Miracles are magic are fine, grumbled the elf, but we have boxes to find. This is serious work. It's not as easy as just pulling something out of a hat.
Hey you guys, look what just popped out of my hat,
chuckled Ernie.
Isn't it neat?
It's box number 6.
Abby squealed.
Wait.
Before you start singing, look closely, said the elf. This is not box number 6, this is box number 5. And the boxes have to be in order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a disaster. I've ruined Christmas.
Don't worry.
Elmo reassured the elf.
Christmas just has to come.
Chimed in Abby.
We're sure to find box number 6 somewhere.
As a matter of fact,
said Ernie.
look what Rubber Duckie found in the bathtub. Ta-da!
I knew it.
Shouted Abby.
It's box number 6. It's another Christmas miracle, yay!
Said Elmo.
Now does Mr. Elf believe that everything will be okay?
Suddenly,
Look what I found in my bed.
said Papa Bear.
Look what I found in my bed.
Said Mama Bear.
Take a gander at what I found in my bed.
Said Baby Bear.
Whoa!
Said Abby.
Boxes 4, 3, 2. That's 3 Christmas miracles.
Cheered Elmo. Finally the elf began to smile. You know, it's a funny feeling. I've never felt it before. A feeling that the last box is going to just show up in some weird and unexpectedly strange way.
He sounds like Mr. Elf believe in Christmas miracles,
said Elmo. I guess I do, laughed the elf. I really do. I do believe in Christmas miracles. Whoa! The elf was so excited that he jumped, slipped, and fell. Ouch! I've had a tumbly-stumbly day on Sesame Street, but wait. Hey! I just landed on something small and hard. It couldn't be. It is! It's box number 1.
Oh boy, Elmo thinks this is a real Christmas.
Wait, let me see it. It's a real Christmas miracle, proclaimed the elf.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Elmo, Abby, and Mr. Elf chanted merrily as the last box was placed into the counter downer. And from high overhead came a jolly ho ho ho!
It's a Christmas miracle.
whispered Elmo.
It's magical.
Added Abby.
It's Christmas.
said the elf. The end.
Hi kids, Did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.